bowling has a history to it. It has a concept. People were used to, you know, tiered seating, and it was plastic and all of that. And now, you know, they talk about you building a bowling alley, and then all of a sudden when they come in, they realize, my gosh, it's not bowling anymore. You know, when we opened up the new FEC a year ago up in Oxford, and we had the new BES X, we had the new furniture line, and I would just tell you that it's been fantastic. The interaction with our customers, great with kids. Just that the new generation of sports enthusiasts have just, you know, fallen in love with that. So far in the last 5 or 6 months, we're seeing about a 20% increase over, you know, our original year of operation. To me, it's phenomenal. And that's sort of what's sparking us on to say, why don't we take some of other traditional centers, look at putting this material in. We're excited about the product, we're excited about the times. We are getting ready now. Within a month, we're going to be breaking ground on our third, you know, premier entertainment. I mean, why not invest with somebody that's been solid? The chairman of the board of this company is in the bowling business, and he's building FECs. Embrace that technology, and what I love so much about Qubica has actually done that for me, so that I can go out now and sell the new bowling product.